Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix too many login attempts in Xclash there on iPhone. If you're seeing this error, it means the app temporarily blocked login for security. Here's the fix. The block usually lasts for 5 to 15 minutes. Don't keep retrying. It can extend the lockout. Next, restart the app. Force close Xclash and reopen it after waiting for temporary login glitches. Next, make sure your email, username and password are correct before attempting again. Next, use alternative login methods. If you've signed up with Apple ID or Google ID, try logging in that way to bypass this error. Privacy tip: avoid logging in on shared devices to prevent repeated logouts. Quick fix: if it persists, restart your iPhone and try again. Contact Xclass support to manually reset login attempts, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.